Hey everyone, how's it going? Ryan Mense here. Today I'm going to be taking you along. Hopefully we can get some Virginia rails. And I've been having a little bit of luck lately. I've been seeing them at sunset, like right after sunset. So it's been a little bit of a challenge. The lighting's kind of rough. I've been shooting with the 180-600 Nikon lens with a 1.4x teleconverter attached. So not the greatest for light gathering abilities. I'm shooting at like around f9. And then in video, like 1/60th of a second for 30p. When it gets really drastic, I'll go to 360-degree shutter and shoot 1/30th through 30p. So not great for like when things are in motion, but if the Virginia rail's relatively still, you'll get the shot a little bit cleaner. So here's a white-crowned sparrow. When I'm down on a tripod like this, I try not to do the slow motion stuff too much because this is what gives you the opportunity to not have to shoot slow motion. When you're handheld, it helps a lot of time to be in slow motion just because it gives you that extra look of stability. Just something to keep in mind, to not shoot slow motion all the time. If you're doing like a full sequence, it's gonna really drag things out. You're gonna mix up your looks, you know? Oh, what's this over here? Is that just a pelican? No, it's an osprey. So unfortunately for me, with the wind going this way, the osprey is also going to be facing into it, so it's facing the wrong way to get like a really cool shot. It's a great bird. Shout out Mark Smith. I've been seeing like long-billed dowitchers, greater yellow legs, piebald grebes. I'm looking now. It looks like a couple of greater yellow legs, just kind of the way they're strutting around. I've only been seeing one each night here, so gotta double the fun, I guess. But it was briefly lived. They took off maybe a couple of minutes after I started filming a little bit. Also, the osprey turned into two ospreys, so I saw like a brief chase. Not sure what their situation is. So a couple ospreys, a couple greater yellow legs, and hopefully a couple Virginia rails. We'll see. White-tailed kite. So since the last time I was recording, I've heard two Virginia rails. Always a good sign. And so right now I'm just gonna set up a little ground camera with one of my DJI action cameras. This is the Action 3. I'm recording this with Action 4. Just a little, this is for like a monopod. It's like a base for it. But it also works if you just throw on a little head for the action camera. So I'm just gonna toss this on the ground somewhere, hit record, walk away, and maybe something will approach it. Who knows? Just for fun. So one thing you always want to try to do, if you can, when you're working in little swampy conditions, is lower the lowest leg of your tripod. That way this goes into the muck rather than the actual rings here that have threads on them. And this is mostly just going to sink right into the mud anyways, so it's not really a stability concern. One thing that I've noticed with Virginia rails is that they tend to not even care about people. Like, they don't see them as a threat, apparently, because I've been like standing here before and I've been talking here before, and nothing really seems to have any impact as far as them coming out and making noise and doing their thing. So that's definitely a bonus for this species. But in the end, it seems to like, it doesn't even matter because they're just so reclusive anyways. Like, even with that advantage, it's still super hard. Just hit up black-crowned night heron, fly to the other side. It's actually where I have the other action camera set up, and with luck, it would land like right in front of it, but that's doubtful. So we got a half hour till sunset, and I can usually shoot like another 20 minutes maybe past sunset with the like settings just kind of maxed out. Oh, of course, you're a Virginia rail right now. It's, only 15 minutes past sunset. Oh, is this one? Thought I saw movement. Yep, I think I see one. I can hear him. Oh, now they are calling now. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's like 7 o'clock now, 20 minutes after sunset. Now they're coming out. those two. It's about half hour past sunset, so I'm gonna call it a wrap here. My camera settings are pretty much maxed out. Definitely had a lot of action. I can hear them right now. Not the mallards, but the Virginia rails. And yeah, so plenty came out. There's probably like 4 or 5, and try to film what I could before it got too dark. But at some point you have to call it, and I'm calling it.